Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create pixel-style images in Canva. This is a fun way to get a retro pixel art look for your designs. It works great for creative projects and social media content. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, let's say this is your image and you want to pixelate it. All we need to do is click on Apps on the left side of the dashboard. Once we are there, we just type pixels. We will then choose this pixel effect because it is simple to use. As you can see, it is already pixelating our image. We can increase the effect by dragging the slider to the left, which lets us control how pixelated it looks. We can also swap out the image if we want. And just like that, the image is now pixelated. That is how we create pixel-style images in Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can turn any design into fun and unique pixel art.